Hello, my name is Álvaro Bastida. I am medical degree specialist in stomatology. I would like to introduce you the Philo system, which is the result of my more than 20 years experience in implantology. Philo system is a minimally invasive implantological approach.
It's a fantastic opportunity to learn something new, and if you already place implants and you're looking for an alternative, as I am, to try and see if there's another way of supporting atrophic ridges, come along. And if you just want to make your day-to-day procedures easier, I really would recommend it. So come and have a chat with Alvaro here. And with Trait implants, your options are not just limited to Philo. With Philo is fantastic, but they have a comprehensive range of implants that I'm using in day-to-day practice. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Gadi Kalechman. I'm a dentist. I came from Israel. I practice dentistry 25-30 years. Several months ago I found this new technique without, not aggressive, without many blood, flapless, no root, no sinus lift. And it was many advantages and many good things about prosthetics and the chirurgical part that I loved very much. I fall in love with the system, really. And from the deep of my heart, I suggest you, all of dentists, come here and learn the system.